When it comes to selecting the right accommodation, there are thousands of places for students to choose from, and we know the search can be overwhelming. Although, we've got exactly what you need here at Snowdon, UK. Located in the heart of Wrexham town centre, Snowdon caters to all your needs right under one roof. Right from a printing service for any last minute materials to amazing communal lounges and great outdoor areas for you and your friends to hang out or unwind outside of your room. The property is perfectly located around buzzing social hubs like bars, restaurants, a retail shopping center, and 2 train stations at a walking distance. And you would never have to worry about your finance with the flexible payment terms that the property has to offer. You would also get high-speed Wi-Fi, an on-site maintenance team to help you keep up with your daily pace, as well as the option to stay over for the summers just in case you decide to. With student-friendly policies and rooms offered at a great price, seal the deal with Snowdon Hall. Reserve your home with Amber and head to amberstudent.com to make your booking now.